Hi, my name is Balázs Holzer from Budapest, Hungary. Welcome to my course on how to make money with the help of e-commerce. So first of all, let me tell a few words about myself. I'm from Budapest, Hungary. I'm qualified as a physicist. I'm working as a full-time entrepreneur, and I'm interested in algorithms, data structures, and artificial intelligence. What you are going to get from this course? We are going to talk about several topics such as what is e-commerce and what is dropshipping, how to set up your Shopify store, what is AliExpress, how to import items from AliExpress with the help of Oberlo, how to create Facebook ads in order to advertise our AliExpress related products. So we are going to talk about lots of topics. What's very important that there is an HD option for every single video. So if you find your videos blurry, you just have to set it to an HD option like you would do it on YouTube, for example. Thanks for joining my course. Let's get started.